Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited because we have another Glamlite foodie box to unbox, try on, and just see all of the goodies. I love when Glamlite comes out with these foodie boxes because I feel like it's a great way to try out the brand if you've never tried it before, or I don't know, the value of it is just so good. I've noticed a pattern with Glamlite where their foodie boxes retail for $45. I don't know if that's gonna change, but as of right now, it's been the same for the last couple of foodie boxes. And this isn't like a subscription or anything like that. This is like random. This next foodie box theme is the Christmas foodie box, which, oh my gosh. These products in here, oh my god. I'm wearing everything today except for the highlighter because it is a little bit too dark for my liking, but I have everything else on that I could possibly put on, and we're gonna unbox this today. I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts on the products since I have tried them out, but if you want to see me unbox this and try on these products, then keep on watching. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It's all kind of thrown in here now because I did just use the products, but this was nice and neat in here. And I will say that none of the foodie boxes are like mystery boxes. You know what you're gonna get, you know what your $45 is going towards, and I'm happy I got this one. I didn't get the last foodie box because it was the dessert box and I had all of the products except for two, and I didn't feel like I wanted to spend $45 on something I already had. There is a product in here that I already have, but I still feel like I got my $45 worth, if you know what I'm saying. So the first product in here is these Gingerbread Lashes, which I'm wearing right now. These lashes, oh my god. I think these are my favorite Glamlite lashes. I do know that the launch of this foodie box was the first time that the owner did include some of the items separate for purchase. So if you didn't want the whole box and you just wanted a couple of items, she did have them individually to purchase. I'm not sure if they're still on the site or if she's ever gonna bring any of these products as permanent items. I don't know. I mean, this is Christmas themed, so I'm not too sure, but you never know. December isn't over. Love these lashes. These are really, really gorgeous. I don't have prices of these things, but normally her lashes range from $10 to $14 typically. Next up in here we have this candy cane brush trio. Now I truly did not know what to expect with these brushes because there are those little brushes that always come with the Glamlite paint palettes, and I'm not the biggest fan of those brushes. So when I saw that they had these in there, I was like, okay, I want to try these. I'm gonna give these a try because they look promising and they look really, really good. Honestly, you guys, these are so good. They are really, really good at blending out the shadow. Very, very fluffy. These are my kind of brushes. And normally when it comes to brush trios, you only get like, what, one out of the three that you really like. And that could really be useful for you. But these are good. I use these to create my eye look today, and these did not disappoint. Hope that in the future, whenever there are more foodie boxes, that Giselle, the owner, does include, like, makes it a thing where she includes brush trios, you know, that are like themed to the box. I think that would be so cool. Giselle, if you ever just come across this video and you see this, please make more of these brushes because they are so good. I would love to have these exact same brushes within a different handle themed to whatever the collection is or whatever the box is. I think that would be so cool and something amazing to look forward to because these brushes are so good. So next we have this product right here called Cookies and Milk. Now I remember Glamlite teasing this a while ago and no one knew what it was, but it's a loose powder highlighter. I don't really like loose powder highlighters, if I'm being completely honest. They're not something that I pull from. I'd rather pull a pressed highlighter than a loose one. I just think these are so messy and you get too much product and then you can't really blend it out because it's like stuck on your face. So I'm not gonna lie, this is so tiny. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger, like a standard size loose highlighter. On the promos for this on Glamlite's page, I thought this was hella big, as well as the eyeshadow palette that comes in here, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. But it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Look at this. This is it right here, which I guess is pretty realistic because I don't know what human being goes through a loose highlighter, a single loose highlighter. I don't buy them because I don't use them. I know for a fact I'm not going to use this, so I will definitely put this in a future giveaway because I'm not gonna use this. My 1,000 subscriber giveaway is coming soon. Really excited about that. I'm saving that for the week of Christmas, just so you guys know. Now we have 3 lip products in here, and I am wearing this one. This one is Eggnog. One thing I love about Glamlite's lip products is that these smell like whatever it actually is. So I have a Glamlite lip collection over there, and Eggnog is now being added to it, which I think is so cool. I love that. Like, this brand is just so different and unique, and I love food, and this just really like brings it home. I never thought I'd love food themed makeup, but I truly do, because Glamlite makes it not childish. Like, there are food themed makeup products that are so childish I would not buy because it doesn't seem like it would fit me. You know what I'm saying? But this, love how she did this. This is just so good. So we have Eggnog right here. I'm wearing it right now. It says that this is a creamy nude color that will sweeten up any look. Let the festivities begin as you enjoy the aroma of cinnamon and vanilla. So I'm not an eggnog person, so I don't know how it's supposed to smell. But I do smell a scent. It smells good. When I went to put this color on, because I'm wearing it on the lips, it looked a hot mess at first because I forgot how pigmented and opaque Glamlite's glosses are. Don't expect to get a sheer gloss from Glamlite because that's not gonna happen. If you're the kind of person that likes those pigmented glosses that could pass as like a lipstick on its own, Glamlite is your thing. Their glosses and liquid lipsticks typically range from $12, maybe 14, 12 to 14. I want to say really $12 because that just seems right. But $12 is like the typical lip gloss price. Once I put that brown lip liner on, she was slaying. Look at this. It looks so good. If you're a person of a deeper complexion and you feel that a color will not work for you, once you put it on, do not underestimate the power of a brown lip liner. A brown, like purplish undertone-y kind of lip liner, or any dark lip liner. Don't underestimate the power of it because it can literally make everything work. Truly, I truly feel that way, and that's how I feel with this color. The next product we have is this lip gloss. This is in the shade Pecan Pie. Shade, scent, everything. I already own this. It's really, really pretty. It's like a purpley mauve kind of color. It does smell like pecan pie. When I first got this, I made my mom smell it because I'm like, Mom, smell this. It smells like pecan pie. It smells like pecans. I don't like pecan pie, so, but I love the color. That's kind of like the thing with these glosses, because they will smell like whatever it is. So if you don't like something and you get the gloss, you're not gonna really like the gloss. I feel like once you put it on the lips, it kind of goes away, but some glosses are a little bit more powerful in scent than others. It doesn't taste like anything, but the scent, it kind of like, you know, still has that little scent to it because it's strong. Since I already have this, I am going to be including this in a future giveaway as well. Lastly, for the lip products, we have 2 more products to go through. This is the shade Red Velvet. This is the Red Velvet lipstick. Now, this is a red. I personally think this could possibly work for me with a lip liner. So I will definitely keep this because I don't really own many reds because I stay away from them because I feel like that's the one color that doesn't really work for my skin tone. But like I just said, can't underestimate the power of a lip liner. I'm definitely going to try this with a darker lip liner. Last product in this Christmas foodie box is an eyeshadow palette, and this is really cool because for the first time ever, it is a new eyeshadow palette that's dedicated solely to this box. I do think that she did release this for individual purchase, but initially she did create this just for this box. This is the Pie eyeshadow palette. This is one of those products where I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than it actually is. This is a tiny palette, and I actually do love the size of this. It is small, but like it's not one of those hard to store kind of palettes, you know what I mean? It's big, it's bulky, but it's not hard to store. So it comes in this cute little box. I love the box. I love the box. It's so cute in the gold. Love it. It literally looks like a pie box. If you guys have the donut palette, this is literally the same size as the small donut palette. And this is so cute. I love this. Okay, so when you open it up, you get 9 eyeshadows, and then in the center, you get a blush. So if you had the donut palette, you had the 9 shadows around the center shade, which was a highlighter. But in this one, you get a blush, which is pretty cool. I like that it's not a bronzer because bronzers are so specific to a certain skin tone. But blushes, I feel like, can cover a wide variety of people. So I do appreciate this being in here. I didn't wear the blush today because I completely forgot about it once I put on my original blush today, but this is so pretty. I love this palette color story. I didn't think that I would. I don't know, I just didn't think that I could really get much out of it, but with the look that I created today, it is so beautiful and pretty. I love Glamlite's formula. It is so good. It is so good. And truly love this color story. I think this is perfect for this time of year. This might be the palette I use for my Christmas look. I don't know, but I love this eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty. It's so unique. All of my Glamlite palettes are unique to my collection. I feel like they always add something. They're different. They're along the lines with Juvia's Place, where you get a color story and it's like, wow, you are unique. You add something to my collection. That's how I feel with this Pie palette. Wow, that was everything in here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love getting these foodie boxes. Now I want to like make some apple pie or something. I want to say that I have a giveaway going in my last video, so definitely go and check that out and enter into the giveaway. I'm giving away some ColourPop products, so if you love ColourPop, definitely check out the giveaway in my last video. And I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. Did you pick up this foodie box? Are you planning on picking up one in the future? Have you picked up past ones? Let me know. Let's have a conversation. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.